Have you ever wanted a super smart AI assistant that lives right on your phone but doesn't need an internet connection to work? Most AI today relies on huge servers far away, which can be slow or raise privacy concerns. But today, we're looking at the Google AI Edge Gallery. It's a new way to experience the world's most powerful open-source AI models directly on your mobile device. This means the AI is fully offline, lightning fast, and completely private. So why does on-device matter? Because everything stays on your hardware. Your prompts, your photos, and your sensitive data are never sent to a server. The app recently added support for the Gemma 4 family, which is at the cutting edge of AI technology. These models are built for advanced reasoning and logic, helping you solve complex problems or get creative without ever needing a Wi-Fi signal. One of the coolest new features is thinking mode. Normally, AI just gives you an answer. With thinking mode toggled on, you can actually see the model's step-by-step reasoning process. It's like peeking under the hood to see how the AI solves a problem. The app also introduces agent skills. This transforms the AI from just a chatbot into a proactive assistant. You can give the AI tools like Wikipedia for facts or interactive maps to help you get things done. You can even download new skills created by the community. It's not just about text either. The app uses multimodal power, meaning it can see and hear. With Ask Image, you can use your camera or gallery to identify objects or solve visual puzzles. With Audio Scribe, you can record your voice and have it transcribed and translated into text in real time, all while staying offline. For those who like to experiment, there's the Prompt Lab, where you can test different ways of talking to the AI. There's even a fun mini-game called Tiny Garden, where you use natural language to plant and harvest a virtual garden. The gallery is a flexible sandbox. You can download models from a list or even load your own custom ones to see how they perform on your specific phone. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or just someone who values privacy and speed, the Google AI Edge Gallery is shaping the future of how we use our phones. It's open source, community-driven, and available now. Download it, try out Gemma 4, and see what it's like to have the power of the world's best AI right in your pocket.